Hello everyone. Today I will start from sum number 27. The question is that find the equation of the line passing through the point 1, 4 and intersecting the line x minus 2y minus 11 equal to 0 on the y-axis. So you have to find out the equation which passing through this point and the point of intersection of this line and y-axis. This is the simplest form of this sum. So first you have to find out the point where this line intersect y-axis. So how will get this point? The line this intersecting on the y-axis, that means you can write it in this way. X minus 2y is equal to 11. X by 11 minus y by 11 by 2 is equal to 1. That means the point of intersection at y-axis will be the intercepting form of the straight line. Okay, that is 0 comma minus 11 by 2. So how will get it? If we will put 0 in place of x, so we will get y is equal to minus 11 by 2. So we will get the point of intersection of these two lines, this line and y-axis. So we will get 0 comma minus 11 by 2. Okay, and one point already given, that is 1, 4, and you got another point that is 0 comma minus 11 by 2. Now you know the equation of straight line passing through 2 points. Okay, you know the formula. So that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, so we will get y minus 4 is equal to minus 11 minus 8 by 2 minus 1 in bracket x minus 1. So you will get y minus 4 is equal to minus 19 by minus 1 into 2 x minus 1, that is 2y minus 8 is equal to plus 19 minus 19. Okay, if we will cut this to minus, we will get 19 into x minus 19. So 19x minus 2y minus 19 plus 8 equal to 0. So you will get 19x minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. So this is the answer. Now come to the next sum, that is 20. 28 কি হবে? Find the equation of the straight line containing the point 3, 2 and making positive equal intercept on axis. That means the straight line passing through this point and making positive equal intercept on axis. Axis means in y-axis and in x-axis, and they made equal intercept. They are making equal intercept. Okay, that means what it is saying. See the diagram. Suppose this is a straight line which touches at the point A in x-axis, at the point B y-axis. Okay, and in straight line one point is P3, 2 and other two points cut the axes in x-axis at A and in y-axis at B, and both intercept form are equal. That means OA is equal to OB. Okay, now how will get OA? OA is the distance of this origin to this point, that is x, and distance from origin to y, so that is y. So you will get x is equal to y. Okay, now you find out the slope using the 2 points. Find out the slope of the straight line using these 2 points. So formula of slope is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here your y2 is this 0 and x1. Suppose this is 1 x2 y2, this is x1 y1. So this is y2 0 minus y by x2, that is x minus 0, that is equal to minus y by x. So in place of minus y you can put x. So minus x by x, that is equal to minus 1. This is the slope. So you got the slope and you know one point. So using the formula y is equal to, using the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus y1, you will get the equation of the straight line. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is equal to minus 1, the point which is passing through the point, that is 3 comma 2. So what will be the equation? Y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 in bracket x minus 3. So that implies y minus 2 is equal to minus x plus 3, that implies x plus y is equal to 5. This is the answer. Okay. Now come to the next sum, that is 29. Sum number 29, what it is saying, the vertices of a parallelogram given, 3 vertices are given. You have to find out the coordinate of the 4 vertices, and length of diagonal you have to find, and equation of one side AB of the parallelogram you have to find. So see the diagram. Suppose this is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. 3 coordinates are given. We have to find out the 4th coordinate, that is D, x, y. Let the diagonal AC and BD meet at the point E. So E be the midpoint of AC and BD. So you will get the coordinate of E from AC diagonal and BD diagonals also, and that two different coordinates should be equal because the point is E same. So first find out the coordinate of E with respect to 2 points AC, and this is the midpoint of AC. So use that formula, x plus x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 3 plus 3 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, that is 6 plus 2 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2 is comma 8 by 2, that is 3 comma 4. Now again find out the coordinate of E with respect to the diagonal BD, where coordinates are 5 comma 10 and x comma y, that is x plus 5 by 2 and y plus 10 by 2. Now since E is same point, so that two coordinates should be same. So you can equate it, that is x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 3. So you will get x plus 5 is equal to 6, x is equal to 1. Then y plus 10 by 2 is equal to 4, that implies y plus 10 is equal to 8. That implies y is equal to minus 2. So coordinate of D will be 1 comma minus 2. Okay. So you get the coordinate of D. Now you have to find out the length of BD. So how you will get? The formula is very easy. You know the formula, that is x2 plus x1, x2 minus x1 root under x2 minus x1. Here one coordinate is given, you got the coordinate 1 comma minus 2. So that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2, that is 10, minus of minus 2, that means plus 2 whole square, root under. So root under 4 square plus 12 square is equal to root under 16 plus 144, that root under 160 is equal to 4 root 10 units. This is the length. Now we have to find out the equation of AB. So first find out the slope of AB, that is 10 minus 6 by 5 minus 3, means using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. So we will get 2. Now the equation of the straight line passing through 1.3 comma 6 and the slope is 2. So equation will be y minus 6 equal to 2 in bracket x minus 3. That implies y minus 6 equal to 2x minus 6, that implies 2x minus y is equal to 0. So this is your answer. Okay. This is very easy sum. Now come to the next sum. This is also very easy. Come to the sum number 30. The sum number 30 is A and B are 2 points on x axis and y axis respectively. and P2 comma minus 3 is the midpoint of AB. So find out the coordinate of A and B, then find out the slope of AB and equation of AB. Since this point A lies on x-axis, so coordinate will be x comma 0, and this coordinate will be 0 comma y because it lies on y-axis. Okay, and P is a midpoint. So using the midpoint formula of midpoint, you equate it with this point. See, the coordinate of A we got x comma 0, B 0 comma y, and P is the midpoint of AB. So coordinate of P is 2 comma minus 3. Now use the formula of midpoint of AB, so that will be x plus 0 by 2, that should be equal to 2, and y plus 0 by 2, that is equal to minus 3. So calculating this, you will get x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 6. So coordinate of A will be 4 comma 0 and B will be 0 comma minus 6. Okay, so this is your answer. Now easily you got the slope of AB. Slope of AB will be minus 6 minus 0 by 0 minus 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Now find out the equation of AB, that is since it is passing through a point P 2 comma minus 3 and slope is 3 by 2. So equation will be y plus 3 is equal to 3 by 2 in bracket x minus 2, that imply 2y plus 6 equal to 3x minus 6, that imply 3x minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is your answer. So you can understand it. So today's class is up to this only. Next sums we will discuss in the next video.